We also expect the federal government to take steps. We are calling on the federal government to take steps to return these children to their homes and then embark on rehabilitating them. And as we have applied to the court, to also enroll them in schools. We are also calling on the governments of Kaduna and Kano states to take urgent steps to have these children, particularly taken back to their homes. Yesterday, 19 people were also charged in Borno State, including minors. Again, we are calling on the government to discontinue all cases pending in different states with respect to the August protest. I'm also aware that 16 people are standing trial in Kano. Initially, 632 were arraigned before a mobile court, but today, 16 are still standing trial in court. Once the government has recognized the constitutional rights of Nigerians to protest, the criminalization of protests in Nigeria must stop. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Cases filed against protesters by the government. 2 have been struck out this morning. So we're expecting that the government will also withdraw the third one, which concerns about 11 people. That one is still pending in this court. It's coming up this week.
Okay.
This Friday.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
How are you?
Now that the cases are out of the court.
Yeah, thank you so very much. We're here on the directive of the President to ensure that the children are safely returned back to their destination. And before we return them, we want to do also due process of ensuring that they are medically fit. So we take them for safekeeping in the facility and make sure they're medically checked. And where we need to make additional treatment, we'll take care of them so that psychologically they're also tested and we ensure that they're safely and well treated and taken care of and giving human face to what happened. So that's why we're here.
How many of the kids have been released by this?
Yeah, we'll take the documentation from the DPP. He is the person that is the custody of them. We've not received them yet, so when we receive them, we'll know the number.
Thank you very much.
Well, thank you so very much.
Nigeria, Nasarawa to the Murtala, Rimin Kebe. A gaskiya wannan abin da ya faru daga farko na yi bakin ciki don na rasa inda zan sa kaina. Na kwana a tasha, na kwana a kasuwa, na kwana a masallaci, komai nawa ya kare, amma daga baya alhamdulillah Allah ya kawo ƙarshen abu. Kuma dama an ce bayan wuya sai daɗi. Sannan kuma da kuka zo kuka taimaka mana a iya wa'annan abubuwa gudunmawar da kuka ba mu Allah ya saka mana. Sannan ina miƙa godiya ta musamman ga Barista Hamza Ɗantani saboda mutumin arziki ne, ya tausaya mana, ya taimaka mana akan wannan al'amura. Assalamu alaikum. Sunansa Ibrahim Rabi'u, akwai Jamila Haruna. Shekarunsu 16 don a yanzu ma duk sun kamu da ciwon hanta wallahi kuma ba ni da yadda zan yi a iya rayuwata. Insha Allah.